This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Thursday, January 5th. Stock index futures yesterday putting in a good performance, even though we did have the minutes from the December 14th Federal Open Market Committee meeting coming in a bit on the hawkish side. However, a bit of a different story today with futures under some pressure. This after economic reports this morning showing a somewhat better than anticipated employment situation. We did have jobless claims coming in at 204,000 against the guess of up 225,000. Also, we had the ADP employment report showing an increase of 235,000 when up 145,000 had been anticipated. So the situation today is basically based on what traders think the Fed might be doing, and that is causing some pressure on stock index futures now. Moving over to the currency markets, it does appear now that interest rate differential expectations have turned just neutral for the dollar index after they have been very bearish since late September. What is happening now, it appears that inflation worldwide is starting to show signs of peaking, which I think is the case, meaning that central banks in Europe, specifically the ECB, may be a bit less hawkish. So if you're still short dollars, now is the time to cover and remain neutral, at least over the near term. We'll see what develops as far as central bank policies. But once again, if you're short dollars, now is the time to cover and stand aside. Moving over to the interest rate futures markets, some pressure developing with the reports today. These are employment numbers coming in a bit stronger. Also, some possibility that the Fed may be a bit more hawkish with these economic reports coming out. Now it appears that the probability of the Fed raising rates by 25 basis points at the February 1st meeting is at 57%, and a 43% probability that the Fed may hike by 50 basis points. My work suggests, however, that the lows have been made across the board for the interest rate futures markets. So good trading, everyone. Once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or ADM.